Good morning, children. This video for standard 10, I am going to teach you quadratic equation in one variable. Quadratic equation one variable, as we know, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are the real number, a, b, c are the real number, and a is not equal to 0. Okay. Apart from that, we have to solve quadratic equation by formula, by solving by factorization method. Okay, and nature of roots, and if roots are given, is there satisfying the equation, is satisfying the quadratic equation or not. So you have to watch this video till end. Children, in this chapter we have to understood what you mean by quadratic equation. An equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are the real numbers. Okay, and a is not equal to 0 is called a standard quadratic equation. Okay, a real number alpha is called a root or solution of of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 if and only if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. Remember, number of roots of a quadratic equation, either two distinct real roots or two real roots, that is one real root, or twice repeated twice. Okay, and number 3, no real roots. Remember one thing, quadratic equation cannot have a more than two roots. Once again, you please write down this note. Now, quadratic formula. The roots of the equation, the root of the equation or quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c is a real number and a is not equal to 0. That time the formula will be what? X equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. That is known as a discriminant, because this is the quantity of b square minus ac is called discriminant. So by 2a, where remember b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0. Okay. Now nature of roots of a quadratic equation, when if and only if b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0, that time we are having, means we will get two distinct real roots. If and only if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that time two equal roots will get. Real roots, two real roots, if and only if b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0. Okay, and b square minus 4ac is less than 0 if and only if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that time no real roots. Remember, d, either you can write b square minus 4ac or you can write d means discriminant. D means discriminants. This part also you can write instead of b square minus 4ac, but you have to find out this value. Now we have to move for exercise. Now x square minus 5x plus 6, the roots are given, means solution is given 2 and 3. Is it is satisfying or not? What is the, so if this value we have to put this side, if our RHS will come 0, that means 2 and 3 are the roots of this given equation. Now first one I am putting when x equal to 2, so that time we have to see 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6, and this is our RHS is what? 0. Now this is 4 minus 10 plus 6 equal to 0. So this will be what? This imply that. So I can write 10 minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore 0 equal to 0. Yes. Yes. 2 is the solution or root of the given equation. Okay. 3, if when x equal to 2, x equal to 2. Now x equal to 3, that time means it will come what? 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6 equal to 0. This implies that 9 minus 15 plus 6 equal to 0. This implies that 9 plus 6, 15 minus 15 equal to 0. Therefore this implies that 0 equal to 0 means LHS and RHS are equal. Yes, 3 is root of the given equation. Given equation. Write down please. Question of 4 first. It is given if root 2 is the root of the equation kx square plus root 2x minus 4 equal to 0, find k. So now our equation is given kx square. Instead of x I can write under root 2 whole square plus root 2 and here x means into root 2 minus 4 equal to 0. Now 2k plus 2 minus 4 equal to 0. This implies that. So 2k equal to 2k minus 2 equal to 0. 2k equal to 2 and k equal to 1. Therefore value of k equal to what? 1. Write down please. Now solving a quadratic equation by factorization. Now factorization we have to see. Here x square minus 3x minus 10. As we know, this is the term A, this is term C. A into C is equal to product of B. This is the terms of B. Okay. If you add and subtract, if you will come your middle term, that's mean our factorization is we are going on perfect way. Now x square and see x square minus 10x, it will be minus 10x square. So middle term we have to split in the what? 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now if you multiply minus 5 and plus 2, it will come minus 10x square, and if you minus 5x plus 2x, it will come minus 3x. Now take common. Here I am taking common x, so our remaining part is what? X minus 5 plus 2 I am taking common, x minus 5 equal to 0. Here the common terms are what? X minus 5. So x minus 5 and remaining part is x plus 2. X plus 2 equal to 0. So our two value will come. X equal to, when x minus 5 equal to 0, that time x equal to what? 5. Okay. And when x plus 2 equal to 0, that time x will come what? Minus 2. Write down please. Question number 10 first. Root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3x. Maximum questions are same. So this question is a little bit different because root is given. So we have to, how we are calculating, we have to see. First of all, this implies that I can write root 3x square and middle term we can split 3x plus 7x plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. Here I can take common root 3x, so x plus root 3, here I am taking common, plus 7, so x plus root 3 equal to 0. This imply that, so our common term is what? First of all, you write this root 3x plus 7 and common term x plus root 3 equal to 0. So when root 3 x plus 7 equal to 0, that time x equal to what? Minus 7 by root 3, minus 7 by root 3, and or you can rationalize it, it will come what? 7 root 3 by 3. When x plus root 3, when x plus root 3 equal to 0, that time x equal to minus root 3. These are our two roots. Write down please. Yes, question number 23, it is given x equal to 3, k plus 2 within bracket x square minus kx plus 6 equal to 0, find k and hence find the other root of the equation and other root of the equation. First of all, we have to find out the value of k. So I can write k plus 2, and this is what? 3 3s are 9, minus k 3k plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore 9k plus 18 minus 3k plus 6 equal to 0. This implies that. Okay. Now this part I can write 6k plus 24 equal to 0. Therefore k equal to minus 4. Now this value we have to put in the equation. Now we can write, now after putting the value of k I got minus 4. Now minus 4x square, I have substituting the value of k here, so minus k x square plus 2x square minus plus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Now do the calculation. So I will get minus 2x square plus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. This minus we have to minus what? Multiplying, minus both the side. So it will come 2x square minus 4x minus 6 equal to 0. Now do the middle term split. So 16, 2 into 6, 12 minus 12x square. I can write this one 2x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 6 minus 6. Now 2x taking as a common, x minus 3, here I am taking plus 2 as a common, x minus 3 equal to 0. So 2x plus 2 and x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore 2 value will come when 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to what? Minus 1. X equal to minus 1 and or x minus 3 equal to 0. That time x equal to 3. So first part, so other root will be what? Minus k. Therefore other root is minus 1, because this is positive one and the value of k is minus 4. Okay, write down please. Yes, 5.3, question number 1, 2x square minus 7x plus 6. This question we have to solve by formula. Here a is given 2, b is given minus 7 and c is given 6. As we know, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, or direct you can find the discriminant, that is d by 2a. Okay, Now minus 7, that means plus 7 plus minus minus b square means 49 minus 4 into 2 into c means by 2 into 2. This part I can write 7 plus minus 49 minus 4 to the 8, 8 plus 8 and 48 by 4. So our value will come 7 plus 1 under root 1 by 4 equal to 7 plus minus 1 by 4. When 7 plus 1 by 4, that time the value will come what? 8 by 4, that is 2. When 7 minus 1, when positive, okay, when 7 minus 1 by 4, that is 6 by 4 equal to what? 3 by 2. So these are the value of x. Therefore x equal to, write down please. Question number 8 it is given, solve the following equation for x, give your answer correct to decimal places. So x square plus 7x equal to 7. So first of all we have to what? We have to arrange this equation. So we can write x square plus 7x minus 7 equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is nothing, means 1, and coefficient of x is what? Means b equal to 7 and c equal to minus 7. Now minus 7 plus minus under root b square means 49 minus 4 into 1 into 4 into 1 into minus 7. Okay, minus 7 by 2 here means 2. So minus 7 plus minus, this is what? 49 and 4 sevens are 48 to 28. 4 sevens are 28 positive. Okay, means plus 28 by 2. So add this one. It will come under root 77. Now root 77, take out the value of root 77. I can write minus 7 plus minus root 77 value. So root will come 8.77. Now once you take minus, if you will take first minus 7 plus 8.77 by 2, it will come minus 7 plus 8.77, 1.77 divided by 2, it will come 0.885 means 89. This is our first root. Now second, it will be what? Minus 7 minus 8.77 by 2. So add minus 7 and minus 88. Write down up to here, you write down. So we will get minus 15.77. So it will come divided by 2. It will come minus 7.89 up to 2 decimal. Write down, this is our required answer. Exercise 5.4. Here we have to discuss nature of roots. Okay. So for nature of roots, we have to find out the discriminant. So discriminant equal to what? B square minus 4ac. So our discriminant will come, let us see what is coming. So it will come b square means 25 minus 4 into 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2. So 25 and this will come 12 and this will come 24 plus 24. This is 49. So d is equal to 49, means d is greater than equal to 0, greater than 0. So our nature of roots will come what? So d is equal to 0 means d is greater than, means it is greater than 0, d is greater than 0, therefore two distinct real root according to the condition whatever I have taught you. Since it is given equation has equal and real and equal root, so means therefore equation has real and equal root, real and equal roots. Therefore what, b square or d equal to 0, b square 4ac is 0. Therefore a equal to what, a equal to 1 and b equal to p minus 3 and c equal to p. So b square minus 4ac I can write b minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into p. Write down. So it will come p minus 3 whole square minus 4p. Now p minus 3 I can break into a minus b whole square. So it will come a square minus plus b square minus 2ab and minus 4p equal to 0. So I can write p square minus 10p plus 9 equal to 0. Now factorize it. After factorization I can write p square minus, it is given 10p. 10p I can write 9p minus p plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore take p as a common, p minus 9, and here we can take minus 1. So it will come p minus 9 equal to 0. So two value will come, p minus 1 and p minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore either p equal to 1 or p equal to 9. Therefore the value of p equal to 1 and 9. Write down please. Now we have to go for exercise 5.5, that is framing the equation. Exercise 5.5 question number 1. Here we have to solving the quadratic equation words problem. Okay. Find the two consecutive natural numbers such that sum of their square is 16. So first of all, one number bx and other number bx plus 1. So according to the question I can write x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to 61. X square, now a plus b whole square, x square plus 1 plus 2x equal to 61. This implies that. So 2x square plus 2x, take 61 this side, minus 61, it will come 60. Okay. Now dividing both the side by 2. So it will come x square plus x minus 30 equal to 0. Now split the middle term, or you can go by formula also. So after middle term splitting I got 6x minus 5x. So x taking common, x plus 6, and here I am taking minus 5. So x plus 6 equal to 0. This implies that x minus 5 into x plus 6 equal to 0. So therefore two value of x equal to, when x equal to x minus 5 equal to 0, that time x equal to 5. When x plus 6 equal to 0, that time x equal to come minus 6. So one number is x, one number is x, one number is s. Therefore first number is what, x equal to 5, and other number equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. So this is our required answer. Write down please. Question number 5, it is given sum of two natural number is 8 and difference of their reciprocal is 2 by 15. Find the numbers. So sum of the number is 8. So one number will let it be x. So other number, as we know, what, 8 minus x. So according to the question it is asking that So 1 by x, their reciprocal equal to reciprocal of means reciprocal and difference of the number. It is given means find the sum of the number is 8. So sum of the two natural number is 8 and difference of the reciprocal. This difference of the reciprocal means first number we have taken x, so it will the reciprocal will be 1 by x, and other number will be what, 8 minus x, their reciprocal, it will be equal to whom, 2 by 15. Now this imply that I can write what, take LCM, x into 8 minus x, so it will come what, 8 minus x minus x equal to 2 by 15. So 8 minus 2x equal to 8x minus x square equal to 2 by 15. Now do the cross multiplication. So it will come 120 minus 30x equal to 16x minus 2x square. Now take this one this side. So it will come 2x square minus 30x minus 16x plus 120 equal to 0. So 2x square minus 46x plus 120 equal to 0. Now dividing the term by 2. So it will come what, x square minus 23x plus 60. Now factorize. Now after factorizing, so x square minus 20x minus 3x plus 60. So I am taking common x minus 20 minus 3, so x minus 20. So x minus 3, x minus 3 and x minus 20 equal to 0. Therefore 2 value will come, x minus 3 equal to 0, that time x equal to 3, and when x minus 20 equal to 0, that time x equal to plus 20. So x minus 20 means 8 minus 20 cannot be equal to 20, means 8 minus 20 cannot be equal to 20. So we have to take x equal to 3. So x equal to 3, we have to take x equal to 3. That time the number will be what, 8 minus x. This is the first number. Second number will be what, second number will be 8 minus 3, that is 5. So two numbers are, therefore two numbers are 3 and 5. Write down please. Yes, question number 12. It is given a 2-digit positive number is such that the product of its digit is 6. If 9 is added to the number, the digit interchange their place. Find the number. So first of all, write down product equal to 6. Now since product is given, since product is 6, let the one number px. Therefore other number will what, 6 by x. So according to the question, I can write what, 10, because 10's place. So 10 into 6 by x plus x. If 9 is added, the number is interchange, means 10x. 1's place will come 10's place and 10's place will go 1's place, plus 6 by x. Okay. These imply that we can write 60 by x plus 9 equal to 10x plus 6 by x. So it will come 60 plus x square plus 9x equal to 10x square plus 6 by x. By here also 60 plus x square plus 9x by x. So x, remove x. Now either you take this one this side or this number take this side. So depends on you only. So I am taking this number this side. So 10x square minus x square. Okay. Minus 9x plus 6 minus 60 equal to 0. It will come 9x square
minus 9x minus 54 equal to 0. Once again we can divide the terms by 9, so it will come what? X square minus x minus 6 equal to 0, equal to 0. Now factorize it. We can write by factorization x square minus 3x, or I am writing 2x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So take x as a common, x plus 2. Here I am taking common minus 3. It will come x plus 2. So either x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So 2 value will come. 2 value will come what? When x minus 3 equal to 0, that time the value of x will come 3. When x plus 2 equal to 0, that time x will come minus 2. Minus 2. Up to here, write down. So 2 number has come, x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 5. This is negligible. So one number I have taken 1, other number will be what? Other number will be 6 by 3, that is 2. Therefore number equal to what? 23. 23. Therefore number equal to 23. This is our maybe required answer. Write down please. So I hope you understand whatever I taught you, all exercise, whatever the possibilities are there, I've taken, but you have to go through your textbook, along with you have to attend in the online class. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching this video till end. Please share, subscribe and like the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.